Let's learn in Whitech Academy.
In the deep blue. A is for apple, juicy and red. B is for banana, breakfast in bed. C is for carrot, crunchy delight. D is for date, sweet bite at night. E is for eggplant, purple and sleek. F is for fig, let's take a peek. G is for grapes, green and blue. H is for huckleberry, good for you. I is for iceberg, lettuce so cool. J is for jackfruit, tropical rule. K is for kiwi, fuzzy and sweet. L is for lemon, a citrusy treat. M is for mango, juicy and bright. N is for nectarine, a summer delight. O is for orange, full of zest. P is for pineapple, simply the best. Q is for quince, a rare little fruit. R is for raspberry, nature's pursuit. S is for spinach, leafy and green. T is for tomato, and sandwiches seen. U is for ugly fruit, a funny name. V is for vanilla bean, not quite the same. W is for watermelon, a summertime treat. X is for ziggo, it's just as sweet. Y is for yam, so tasty and bright. Z is for zucchini, and stir fries tonight. A to Z, fruits and veggies we sing. Healthy and tasty, they make our hearts sing. Join us in this fun, let's all dance along. Learning and growing with the fruit and veggie song.
Thanks for watching our channel Whitech Academy. Like, comment, and subscribe.